Last section, use the Format Painter and themes. So for the form, Jobs by Company, right-click and choose Design View. Click the Themes button, and you can hover over different ones to see what they look like. But we're going to select the facet, but instead of left-click, because that would change it to all of the objects in this Access database. So right-click and choose Apply Themes to this object only. And then choose the font group, and you want Arial, and do the same thing. Right-click and choose Apply Font Scheme to this object only. And then we're going to click the Close Command button. Click the Home tab. So see how that one has like a green background shading? So you're going to click the Home. You're going to click Format Painter, and then click the Print command so it formats the same style. Right-click the Jobs by Company tab, and then choose Save, and then right-click and choose Form View so that see what it looks like. Click the Close Command button. Click Database Tools, and then click Compact and Repair Database button. And then you're going to go ahead and save and submit. Thank you.